OOTD.
Where'd she go? That was a skunk! Raccoon. I hope it was a raccoon because if it's a skunk, then now my car's gonna stink. Oh my gosh, brand idea. A giant bath filled with tomato juice. A slow decline down so cars can drive in and then they go all the way under and then it's a rise incline up at the other end and then it's a tomato bath. So tomato juice bath, so then you get rid of your skunk smells. Basically, I'm gonna make bank. This album hit head out, so Kelly Clarkson. I'ma take a trip. With someone less astute, he would have been dead and just as due without a cent of restitution. Started working for his late mother's landlord, trading sugar cane and rum and all the things he can't afford. And all the baby buffalo! Oh, they're so cute! Really scary experience, and I think I'm gonna die because I've never driven in an ocean before.
Oh my god.
First time driving in an ocean. Here we go, boys. It's kind of really scary. I think I'm gonna make me cry. Oh my gosh.
You guys.
I made it. I made it! I'm so happy right now.
The next day.
Do you like my shirt, Aubrey?
Chicks, what? Why are you wearing that?
Did you get that from White? What does it say?
Chicks suck.
Yeah. Don't you agree? Okay, coconut
Why did
oil.
you buy that?
Are these vegan? Stick out. I could eat this. How much vegan is in here? Oh my gosh, they have turtle food here? Sticks. Like that. What you do when you come to a stoplight? You put your car in park. You put your car in park.
There are gajillions of stories of mischief and fun, but to keep things simple, let's start with just one.
Wow.
That's a nice poem.
It's from
no shorts in.
It's from Cat in the Hat, right?
Yeah, it's the first one.
Cat in the Hat. That's a very high quality movie. I think, isn't that your favorite movie?
Very favorite.
Yeah. So she watches it with all her boyfriends. All of them. She's looking so hip with her little fancy water bottle and her fancy stickers and her look at that iced coffee in a freaking mason jar.
With a America on it.
If you think you're hip, think again. This is me and Aubrey gossiping, and if you think that you're doing something secretly, you're wrong. We know. Oh my god, give me some of that. Oh no, there's glitter on it. No. I'm gonna use the lime green because that's what my outfit matches most. Right here. Gonna, you know.
She was real pigmented, guys. Look.
You want to add that highlighter
You got
on?
that in the corner
With the highlighter.
looking like somebody's auntie.
Got that green highlighter on.
Later.
Copyright Friday night. Think about 20. Think about 20 gators in there. Don't get too close, girl.
Mud, see this mud rising up? There's some gators. They get some holes down there. I'm gonna have to investigate.
Go gator hunting.
Alligator egg right here.
I'm gonna have to go.
Throw it in the water.
Throw it in the water.
We don't want repopulation.
Boom. One gator down, 19 to go.
This is actually a deer.
That's a deer?
Deer
Egg?
rest their
Oh,
antlers on these.
someone come in.
Oh my god, it's a gator. That comes. Oh my god, this is where alligators been getting up.
They crawling up from there.
Alligators.
Oh, that's the bones. That's the bones of an alligator right there. Oh, right there. See that floating right there? That's a leech. That's a leech. They eat you though. That big stick in the water? That's an alligator.
That's our main spot.
Yeah. Wow.
Smoking some marijuana out here. Oh, I feel.
Get out.
Work your way down and out.
Real foot. Oh my gosh, Aiden. It snowed. You know what this is? This is a sign.
Elsa was here.
Go, go. Whoa! Aubrey, I was proposed to.
Let me see. Show me him.
Show me him?
Yeah.
Arby! She tried to eat my proposal flowers. I ate them myself.
Scare me.
Yeah, we're definitely don't have ice trays.
Scare cam!
You're not even on it, you got the blender.
It's hidden, duh. I scared the poop out of you. Don't be mad.